So I've come back over to Morganton Music Patch a day after shooting a 360 video here. And Robert was putting the store together. He posted a photo a while ago showing just how great it looks inside after just one day of work. He's right beside John Payne here on Sterling Street in Morganton. That's kind of like one of the main, that's looking south that way, this way's back north. So this is where he's located. Come check it out, folks. Those of you who like musical instruments and are looking for people that can also service your gear, they're good folks. Well, I'm back at Morganton Music Patch after I shot a 360 video here yesterday and it was just in pieces. I'm with Rebecca. Robert's teaching a lesson. And check out how nice his store looks, folks. I'm not shooting 360 today, I'm just shooting wide 5K video with a Hero 11. But I did want to just show how really nice his store is now in Morganton, North Carolina. I'll pan back over this way. Looks like they're still in stages of putting stuff together. This is where they do all the repairs and stuff. All this was just kind of coming together yesterday when I dropped by and said hi to him. I felt bad because I caught him off guard and everything. Here are his banjos, dobros, and mandolins. Plenty of acoustic guitars. I own one of those, folks. That is a great guitar. That's the Elijah D, or Eli D, from James and Elegant. It's one of my favorite guitars now. It's got an old Supro there. It's got some amps. That is going to end up being his performance area over there. I think he's working on trying to get that set up so there'll be a stage. Lots of fiddles, cellos. Looks like it. What have you put in that?
Upright bass.
Upright bass. Oh, awesome. Killer. So people, this is me making up for my ugly video from me. It looks like a Zach Wild Epiphone there. It's killer. All right. Come check it out. Morganton, North Carolina, Morganton Music Patch. Good people. You might find something you want here. If nothing else, you might find some people that can do some work on your instruments. They do a great job doing setup jobs and repairs and pickup installations, etc. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.